Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna be doing something totally different. Not a DJ vlog. It's just gonna be a day in the life vlog, you know. Not special, just go around with me today on my adventurous morning, afternoon, and evening. So we'll see where it takes us. And I wanna say thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let's see how today goes. Good morning. Alright guys, we kind of just warped all the way over here. We're in the city of Covina currently at Ikea. I'm with my sister and my brother-in-law. So yeah, guess we're gonna see how it goes today. Currently just found all these mirrors. I need a mirror like this. Definitely need a mirror like this. So far just looking around in Ikea for some shelving. Nothing too special. My son is with my sister right now. I will introduce you guys properly to him shortly. I just gotta find him. Found him. So guys, this is Josiah. His full name is Arnold Josiah Gustavo the fourth. And he keeps throwing his little tiger. Here. You don't want tiger? And there goes tiger again. He's not having it today.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
I'm tired. Thanks Ikea for the nap. That was good. Starting this morning vlog off. Up another bed. Back to nap time. Good night guys. So now we're having some lunch. You alright? I know you see me grab. He loves french fries and chicken nuggets. So you got chicken nuggets and chicken tenders and french fries. This guy's looking at me like it's weird that I'm talking to someone. I got a salad. But yeah guys, we're gonna have lunch real quick and then continue with our shopping. Keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so spent the whole entire day at Ikea shopping. It's currently 5:57 now and we barely leaving, barely checking out. This whole time he took a nap, he ate, all that. He been chilling. Oh, now you wanna act like that because the camera's on, huh? Huh? Are we looking at girls? She ain't cute. Hell no. Alright guys, I just got home right now. After Ikea, I left and we ended up at some family's house. We were watching Monday Night Football, you know. Just had some food, just hung out, enjoyed each other's company, stuff like that. But now I am going to edit this vlog, put my son to sleep because he is tired. And I will see you guys in the next one. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social media at YoungSpecs, YOUNGGSPECS. And I will see you guys in the next video. So thank you guys once again for tuning in. And I'll see you very soon. Stay late, guys.